Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable Grammarly extension in Outlook. So type Grammarly for Outlook and open Grammarly.com official site. Here you will see Grammarly for Microsoft Word and Outlook. Click on get the add-in and it's free. There are three steps. Run the Grammarly installer, follow the setup instruction and click enable Grammarly in Microsoft Word and Outlook. Once you're done, double click on the setup file. Now guys, you will see this window. Click on get started. Check this box Grammarly for Word, Grammarly for Outlook. So make sure this box is checked. Then click on install. You installed Grammarly. To launch Grammarly, open Microsoft Word or Outlook. If either application is already open, restart it to activate Grammarly. So click on finish. Now open Outlook. So guys, in this Outlook, you will see this Grammarly icon. So once you try to type something, so this Grammarly extension will help you. So this is the way guys you can enable Grammarly to your Outlook. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.